What's going on, everybody?
Bless you.
I'm in an airplane. Make sure you got your safety goggles.
Can I see your apron?
I need to tie this. Today's project is sponsored by Lowe's. Oh, I took my safety goggles off. I told you needed a hammer. Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
All right. Let's see that hammer skills.
Yeah.
All right, hit it. Hit it. More. Hard gloves. All right, let's put them on. All right, there we go. Gotta do this part right here. All right, now we gotta put the undercarriage in. So put these long nails in there. Give me some pounds.
Ah, that was fun. Now we do some wheels.
Now we gotta do 2 more long screws.
Two more long screws.
Yeah.
Mean nails.
Yeah.
Those are long nails. Long nails. Will the wheels spin?
All right.
Will the wheels spin?
Yeah, they'll spin. There you go. Now, this is the fuselage right here, so I need you to hammer right there, okay? Give me hammers. Ow! I'm just kidding. And now that one. All right, what's next?
I have 2 fingers in here.
Oh, you got 2 fingers and 1?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to take them off?
Yeah.
All right.
Just fine.
Say it again.
I have finally put my plane.
Yeah. All right. So this one, let Daddy do this one. Do you mind?
Yeah.
I'll do this one right here. Look at that. Look at it.
Oh, look at this.
Oh no, I'll hammer it in some more over here.
Wobbly.
There you go.
Thank you.
But the best part about that, we got stickers. All right. So here's all the people on the plane. So I'll do one. I gotta put the passengers on here. There you go.
2 passengers.
2 passengers. Some more silly passengers. And then we gotta make it, there's the low stickers. Put it on the tail. You got this one? There you go. There you go. Put it right here on the tail. Put it right there. There you go. So Georgie.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, we built it.
You built that all by yourself.
Hold on.
Thank you, everybody, for joining us. I'm getting to the point now.
Bye.
Bye.